Good morning, friends. This is JP Yadav. Today my topic is rectifier. In past slide, I will discuss about the working of diode and characteristics of the diode. Now we discuss in application of diodes. Which one is rectifier? What is rectifier? The main purpose of rectifier is to convert the AC signal in home, at industry, at college, school, etc. place where we use inverters. Then the inverter circuits, we use rectified circuit which is convert the alternating voltage into DC voltage. The rectifier is basically two types according to output: half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier. According to the name, half wave rectifier is gives the small output is 50% of the input, and full wave rectifier is gives the 100% output of the input signal. So we will discuss one by one. Half wave rectifier. The half wave rectifier circuit possesses just one half of each complete sine wave of the AC supply in order to convert it into a DC supply. Yes, it gives the only 50%, half part of the input signal. Then this type of circuit is called half wave rectifier. The circuit's diagram of this half wave rectifier is known as the diode, which gives the output AC to DC, and load resistance RL is the load where we collect the output signal. The sinusoidal waveform is complete cycle, positive and negative, and at the output only positive. We cannot detect the negative cycle from this circuit. How can the output is considered? So input is positive, we consider input is positive, then the diode is forward bias. Forward or reverse bias we discussed in past slides. So diode first part is positive and input is positive, then the diode is forward biased and its work as a short circuit. Diode work as a short circuit and output is present. Input is goes to load resistance RL, and we calculate the output voltage at the load is same as the input. Now input is negative, then the diode is reverse bias and is open, and input not present at the output, and the output is not show the negative cycle because there is no input at the output goes. So its cycle is repeated, only positive cycle is present at the output, half part of the input is present at the output, so it is called half wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier, as it's the name, full wave rectifier circuit is converts the AC voltage into a DC voltage using both half cycle of the applied. With when two half wave rectifier is connected, or we can say that two diodes are used in place of one diode, then the circuit work as a full wave rectifier. Now explain it. It's shown in the diagram. Two diode D1 and D2, and one output is RL and one AC input signal. But center transformer is used because two inputs are required for two diodes. So when the input is positive, at first input is positive, then D1 is positive, D2 is negative. So D1 is forward bias, D2 is reverse bias, and in positive cycle D1 is conduct, D2 is not conduct. So output present in RL due to the D1, and output at the RL is same as the input is positive cycle. So output we can measure at output is positive. Now we consider input is negative cycle, then diode D1 is reverse bias, D2 is forward bias. So D1 is open, D2 is short circuit, and output goes through RL is same direction as the same direction of D1 for positive cycle. So direction of input is opposite, but direction of output at RL is same. So polarity of output voltage is same, both positive and negative cycle. So D2 is gives the positive half cycle, and total output is combined D1 plus D2. Then the our input is positive cycle and negative cycle, but output is we collect positive cycle. Both are positive cycle. So it's working of the half wave rectifier. What is the power diode rectifier? If we use power diodes in place of PN junction diode, then the circuit is changed from low AC circuits to high power AC circuits, which we are using in industry. So power diodes is the simple diode PN junction diode is replaced by the SCR, silicon control rectifier. In place of simple diode we use SCR, and low power AC which we are use high power AC. Then the circuit is work as a power rectifier, but and working is same. At first the power diodes are 1N400X series. What the application of rectifier? To convert the AC supply to DC. First application is AC to DC conversion, and full wave rectifier are used in controls the motors which work on DC voltage, and rectifiers are used in soldering iron, in communication system at detector, in firing circuit for the pulse generation and demodulation of the modulated signal, in communication system, and voltage multipliers which we are want more voltage, then we use rectifier circuit for voltage multiplier. So it's the rectifier circuits. Thank you.